Hey, it's Joseph from Magic Touch USA. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 4th of July dad's barbecue apron using the DTF MAGIC system. Now with this system, you get the desktop that's built in with the printer. It has the Cadlink software already on it. We have the dual Epson 3200 print heads. Comes with the printer, the dryer, the shaker, all in one. We even include a ventilation system just in case you can't ventilate it out. This machine is built for you in Chicago and shipped to you. Plus, we give you the rolls of film, the ink, the adhesive, and one of our DTF techs will go to your facility, your house, your business, and train you on site for free. The goal for us is to get you up and running as soon as possible. But let me show you how to do it on this beautiful barbecue apron. All right, now let's go press our apron. Now, this is the DTF MAGIC Grade A film. That means you can press on any color shirt, any material. This apron that we have here, as you can see, is a 50-50. It's a 50% cotton, 50% polyester, but you could do tri-blends, nylon, silk, it doesn't matter because of low temperature, 300 degrees for 5 seconds. Now, we're gonna bring it onto the heat press and we're gonna press it for 5 seconds. I'm gonna take it off, and this is hot right off the heat press, and I'm just gonna take it right off. And there you have it. That is the DTF MAGIC film. Any questions, click on the link below. Thank you.